Although Twitter's website gives you complete control over your Twitter account, it might not be the best way to interact with Twitter while working at your desktop. It's not always convenient to have a big browser window open or to repeatedly refresh a window just to see what's new. That's where third-party clients come in. You see, the folks who built Twitter included a flexible application programming interface, or API, which programmers can use to exchange information with Twitter. A number of developers have released free or low-cost programs that you can use to interact with Twitter without using your web browser to access Twitter.com. Some of these tools are feature-rich and may offer a better interface than Twitter's website. Now, quite a few people use third-party clients, and you can tell by looking at your Twitter timeline on your homepage. Just scroll down and look at the bottom of each tweet, and you can see what software posted the tweet. So, for example, up here it's by the web, but down here we've got Tweety. And here's another Tweety here, and then there's something here called Twitterific. And if I scroll down, you'll see other ones. Social Oomph, get that twice. Tweety, web again, Tweety, Tweety, Tweety. Tweety is very popular, and it was just purchased by Twitter. So you'll see here's another one here called Plugio. So you'll see there's quite a few options. Third-party client software can be platform-specific, such as for Windows or Mac OS only, or cross-platform, so they work on any computer. There are dozens of them available for download on the internet. Now what I've done here is I've opened up the home pages for a couple of the software developers that make these, and I'll just go through them one at a time here. Tweety is the one that was just bought by Twitter, and there's 3 different versions. There's a Mac version, an iPhone version, and an iPad version. TweetDeck uses Adobe Air, and it works on cross-platform, and it's a pretty cool program. Seismic is another one. Nambu is another one that's in beta, but it's very well developed, and this is one of my favorite ones. Twitterific is another very basic one, very simple. Then there's Echophone, and there's multiple versions of that as well. Destroy Twitter, which has kind of a bad name, but it's a great program. Then there's Digsby, which has different versions, Mac, Windows. And you can learn more about programs like this on a site called 140. I'll talk about 140 a little bit more in another video, but for now it's good to know that they've got an Essentials page, and if you scroll down on it to the desktop area, you'll see some desktop clients. Browse all will show you more. So as you can see, there are plenty of options if you decide you want to access Twitter with client software instead of the Twitter.com website. I tell you how to use 2 of these clients, Tweety for Mac and the cross-platform TweetDeck, in some other videos.